Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Ensure your keyboard is connected and powered, and that you have admin access if needed. Once done, open your device's input or language settings so you can see the active layout. Make sure the system reports a mismatch or another layout like Dvorak if you've lost Qwerty. You do this now because knowing the current state avoids guesswork. It shortens troubleshooting and prevents accidental profile changes when you reassign keys. You next switch the layout directly. Choose Qwerty or the exact regional variant so key mappings match physical labels. If multiple layouts appear, remove extras or set Qwerty as default. Once set, restart the input service or the app you're using to force the change. If keys still register wrong, update or reinstall the keyboard driver and check Bluetooth firmware for wireless models, because corrupted drivers or firmware often reassign scan codes. And you finish by verifying every key in a plain text editor, confirming letters, numbers, and modifiers behave as labeled. Once satisfied, export or back up your input profile so you can restore Qwerty quickly later. If anomalies persist, disconnect and test a different keyboard or boot into safe mode to isolate software conflicts, because that separates driver issues from hardware faults. One key troubleshooting tip: if safe mode works, a third-party keyboard utility is likely overriding Qwerty. Disable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.